Hi brothers and sisters, now I am teaching. So this is our stock management program. So most of people they are requesting we need source code. So that's why I am planning that uh, myself and yourself we will work together. So I will post my project into GitHub. So how to export my project to GitHub, and so you can import, and even though you want to work with me, then you can work, you can download whatever you can do. So you can see the versions, what versions you know, previous versions, what is there, a latest version, what is there, like that, everything you can see. So I will teach for beginners how to create a GitHub account and how to host our project into GitHub and how to use and how to consume and everything step by step I will teach now. Okay, so this is our existing stock project. So you already watched, I think so, part 1 and part 3, sorry, part 2. Most of people are requesting please upload part 3. So now onwards I will start to upload the part 3. So before starting the part 3, I will import our project, not my project, our project to GitHub, so everyone will collaborate and work whatever your thoughts, and we will make it successful application in this small stock management program. So what I'm going to do, first I will create the repository in GitHub. So what is GitHub? I will teach one by one. Why GitHub we are using means we can store and we can download and we can take the versions control, so which version you want, like that, so many features is there. So people work online together. So any location, you are in any location, any country, you can work your code and you can commit your code, and I can pull my your code, and I can commit my code, you can pull my code. So like that, anyone can do with collaboration in the work. So now I will export my project to GitHub. So what I am going to, first I will create the GitHub account. So for you only I am creating the new GitHub account. Just go to Google and just type GitHub. So you will get the history of the GitHub, what is the GitHub, and everything you can read it from the wiki. So I am not going to explain the GitHub, what is GitHub. So I will explain how to use the GitHub, that's it. Okay, just click the github.com. So here simple registration form will be there. Just you have to type your username, what username you are liking, just you can type. So what I am going to do, my username only I will type. So VETRIVEL dot D and email address. Password, I won't tell password, sorry, and create. So already this name is exist. So Vetrivel YouTube. Vetrivel and you I will create. Vetrivel is my name and you. So this is my username Vetrivel and you, and this is my mail ID and my password. Okay, just I will create the account. So my account is created. So here it will ask the step 2, unlimited public repository for free, unlimited private repository for $7 each month. So you want to hide your project to outside people's, so that means you can use the private repository, but you want to explore your project to outside people and collaborate with outside people, so that time you can choose the unlimited public repository. So public repository means anyone can see your code, anyone can download your code. Okay, so just click continue. And step 3, trial your experience. Very experience are totally new to program, somehow what experience. So I'm not very experienced, somehow what experience. And school project and development research and project management other. So just research. A professional. Are you interested? Development. Just we can select web development and submit. So your account is created successfully. That's it. So Vetrivel and you, this is my account username. Okay, now I am going to create the repository here. What is the repository? I will teach everything. So once I will create the repository first, after that I can import my project to here. Okay, just I am clicking the so first I need to verify my mail. I think yes, I need to verify my mail. So I'm going to my email ID. So it came here, just verify. So I verified successfully. Your email is verified. Now I create start project. So here I will create the project name like stock. This is my repository name. I am selecting the public repository. Optional name, this is a simple stock management. Simple stock management application. Simple stock management applications. So here I will select initial readme files I need is okay, and I will select here which ignore file. What is the ignore file? .ignore file. I will simple explanation I am giving what is .ignore file. In case we are creating the project, so this is our project. Okay, whenever we are right click and we are rebuilding, so that time some default instance, some default like a bin object, those things and all, it will, and release these things and all, it will update everything. It will update. But whenever we are doing these things, no, it will tell us some changes has happened, some changes made, so you have to commit like that. It will ask. So ignore file means you can ignore the bin file, bin folder, like that. Whatever you need to share to the world, that only you can make it. Other than you have to just ignore the files. That's it. So you can add the ignore file means it will ignore that files. So here we have to write the ignore file. For that only GitHub they providing the default ignore files. So just click here. Here you can type just Visual Studio. Just select the Visual Studio. That's it. And license, what kind of license this is, you can select. As of now I don't know what kind of license. Just I am selecting the none and create the repository. See, successfully created. So this is our repository. That's it. So we created successfully. So our URL is this only. This is our URL. So whenever you click here, now you will see the repository. One repository you will see. In that repository you are clicking means it will go here. That's it. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I will just copy the project. This project I need to copy. So what I am going to do, just you click here, click clone or download, it will be there. Here you will get the link to download. This link you can, using this link you can download, you can use SSK, that and all I will teach later, or else you can download it, or else you can learn the Git, how to use the Git, like that you can get to know. Okay, see here it will come, this is the Git. Okay, now I will teach how to import our project to the here Git. Okay, now what I'm going to, I already installed one software called GitHub for Windows. So you want, then you can install, you can just download the Google. So just go to Google, here GitHub for Windows. You are searching means it will go to here, and this is new version of Git. And or else you want to use old version means you can select the old version, GitHub for test of like old versions you can select, but as of now I'm using old versions only, not new version. Okay, now here just I will open. Before opening, I will go D drive. This is my drive. Here only I will create one folder, Control Shift N. So code base, I created one folder, D drive is code base. Okay, now I will import my project to here. So before importing project, first I will create the clone the repository. So this is my other projects, don't worry about this. I will just click here, just click clone and click, and this it will confuse you for how to clone and how to do these things, and so better you have to install one more software, Git Bash. So that go in Google, you have to go just Git Bash for Windows you are using means you can go here and just install this software. So it will convenient wherever you want to cloning and committing and all, also it will convenient. This software why I am using means interface, I can see whatever I made changes, whatever I did in this, what I did, what I changed, so everything I can see here easily. So that whatever check-in I did, like that you can see for interface. For that purpose only I am using this software. So now what I am going to do, just I am going to D drive. I created one folder, right? That folder code base, right? Yeah, in code base, just and right click and Git Bash here. So once install the Git Bash software, you will get this icon. So click here and it will ask, so here you have to type git clone, and in website whatever you have copied the link, right? You are copied, right? You are not copying also, once again you have to go and copy it here, sorry. So click a project. So this is my account, and click my repository stock, and here you can just click copy icon will be the just copy, and here just right click and paste. So now just I press enter here. So see here it created the stock one folder and whatever is their file, git ignore file and readme file. So this is our project here. See here two files is there, the two files is came successfully here, you can see. Okay, now what I need to do, nothing you need to do, just what you have to do, just go to, this is my GitHub repository folder. So and this is my project folder. So where I am using here only stock project I am using. So what I am going to do, just right click the folder, copy, and go to here repository and right click, just paste. That's it. Now you can see, now nothing I am doing here, just I closed. Okay, I pasted here. Okay, now this references, then UI interface. Here one plus icon is there. Just I'm clicking here. Add icon will be there. Create clone. So here I'm choosing add icon and browse. In this browse I'm going to browse that my repository folder. So in local my repository folder, just my computer, D drive, here code base, I'm selecting the stock and click OK and add. So see here, immediately it's showing this many changes. See changes. What changes? I just copy and pasted, right? By default, while cloning, only two files are there. One is git ignore and one more is readme file. Now this entire project I copied and pasted here. Now this and all my changes. So what I am going to do? Just I will commit my changes. So added stock project source code I added. So once you have to give the commit, and just commit my changes. So my project is committed successfully. Now you can go and see the history. So initial commit is ignorant and new commit whatever I added, add stock project source code. So now I committed. Now I am going to see here my project is came or not. It won't come. Why? Means I just committed, still is in there in my local only, it's not pushed. So I need to push. So in stock, just right click, get open git shell. So I'm using the window git shell window. So or else you can use here only sync option will be there. You can just once you committed successfully and click the sync. Sync means what will happen? It will pull and it will do everything. So I'm clicking sync. So it asking the login, username and password. What is my username and password? My username is Vetrivel and you, correct, and my password is, I won't tell my password. So you will ask how I will commit my changes. I can download. You can download without for downloading there is no need username and password. You can just download. You can clone it, whatever you can do, but you can't check in, you can't push into server. So that means you have to contribute it in my account. I have to give the full and push rights, then only you are able to push your changes. So you need full and push rights. Just request me, I will do it for you. So you are really want to work with me, then you have to raise the pull request. I will give the permissions. But you want just a user, I want to see your course, then no need logins, you can just download it. Okay, I will click login. So is doing their work, is syncing. So that means his project is first it will downloading and it will uploading. So it will do both in while clicking the sync. Done. So you can see history, nothing, same thing only will be there here, and but you can see here, just I will refresh here. See, stock project is came 3 minutes ago. Added stock project source code, whatever we committed here, added project source, that it will be there here. Okay, now you can see my codes, everything. See here, properties will be there, the bin folder it won't be there. Why means that and all ignorable. So how you will get that files? Just you can download my project and right click and build. It will automatically create bin folder in your machine. So that bin folder not required, only source code and source files that only required. So the GitHub intelligent, it will handle, take care everything. So people can work so many things. So many people work in one project, single project. So for example, how they are working this kind of projects. See, in GitHub you can see most of people are working in most of projects. For example, well, GitHub you can go control enter. So it will control enter means it will put all the things. So for example, Knockout.js. So sorry, Vue.js. Just I will type Vue.js, or so many things there. So one thing you are taking also. So many people are working, contributing 9 people they are contributing, they are giving commit. So commit means how many people they enter their changes. So one project people, so many people they can work like that only. I am created for you like a stock project. Okay, stock project. See here, Vetrivel Shanti, that name is came. How this name is came? Because I have in my machine I already SH key I added Vetrivel Shanti. So that is my one more account in GitHub account. Based on that account is committed actually. Okay, that and all you no need to worry about that. Whatever I created for this account, anyone can commit and anyone can download without login. So what is the URL you want to see? Just click the stock. So GitHub / Vetrivel and u/stock. Okay, and here clone and download will be there. You can just click and click download for zip. So you will get the source code, with source code everything, and you can run your project, our project. Okay, but you want to work or you want to clone, then means you can copy this URL and go to install git bash, and first you have to clone it. So I install where D drive code base, here stock. So here will be there. So like that we can do. So now I added project. So this is my already stock project I opened here. Just I will close the stock project here. So this stock project I already is my local copy, and it will be having bin so many things etc blah blah. Now whatever I clone, no, that only I need to open. So I click the stock here, and here you will see the open in Visual Studio, that icon you will get. You can open, or else right click and click open in Explore. That folder it will open, then you can open your projects. So whatever. So just I will click open here. So my project is opening now. Here I am using Visual Studio 2013 version. So version is doesn't matter, you can use any version. Only thing is you have to use that framework, whatever I am using. I am framework, no, that framework you need to use. So here just right click the solution and rebuild. So rebuild it successfully. So see, when you rebuild, what will happen I will show. First I will close all the open folders. See, this is our project. So once I rebuild, open folder in Explore, you will go stock, it will create object and bin folder, and in that object so many folders it will come, so many application it will come. But see here, in changes anything is there? Nothing. That means, so default that git ignore whatever is by default Visual Studio Git ignore we added, right? That ignore, it will take care whatever files I need to take, whatever files I need to ignore. So that's why, sorry, that ignore only it will take care whatever files I need to ignore. For example, for testing purpose, what I am going to just I will add, right click, add, just I will add one new item, just for example new Windows I will add. So for example I will add one class file, so class1.cs I will add, just I click added. So this is not needed actually, just I added one class1 I added. So and I will rebuild also, so there is no issues. Now you can go and see here, it will show one changes. You added one class file here and it's showing that class file reference is added into the stock.project also. So this changes, it will come here. So that means one file you are adding also it will come. In case now what I am going to, here I will add some more lines, for example public I saved. Okay, so many things I will do like that. You can do whatever you can do, the changes it will note it down. And now I'm going here, it will show everything, and you have to, before checking you have to make sure everything checked in. And I will make added demo class file. I just added the demo class file and I committed, and just I will sync. So it will take care everything, it will push everything. Just you have to commit your changes and you have to sync it, that's it. So sync, it will pull and push. Pull means it will download from the server first and it will push from your code to their server. So now you can see here I added just now I added by added demo class file, two class file added. And I am going to see here, and just I will refresh here. See here, I added recently for 40 seconds ago, add class demo files. I click this link, whatever I added you can see. So these changes only I added. You want to commit or you want to give comments and reviews on this, based on my commits you can give reviews on commits, and you can give some suggestions, whatever you can do. So I'm clicking the stock project and I will click the commits directly. So whatever commits we made, everything we can see. And you can click this commit, so you will get the commit ID. So you want project in this state, also you can clone it. So if you want project in this state, right click copy, and what I will do, my computer D drive code base, here see that class 1 file is there, see here. Now what I am going to do, I will do, so I need file that commit. So just right click here, git shell. So here you can write your command. So this is our project. So git pull means it's like download. So it will tell up to date. Up to date means you have up to date with server. Someone checked in, someone uploaded, someone synced. That things it will come and get it here. Okay. Now git check out whatever that commit ID is there right here. Just I will copy this commit ID. This commit ID whatever I added in project now in that state. So git check out that commit ID, just enter. See now our project, it will ask Yes, reload it will ask, because some changes has happened, so you just click reload all. See our project, that whatever we added new file, that class 1, it's not gone, it's gone. That means you can get your project whatever state you want, so you won't lose your project. That is the main thing of using the GitHub. Okay, whatever state you want, just that commit id you want, then you can go here in website, you will get the commit id, just copy the commit id, or else you can get the commit id from here also. Just click here and you will get the commit id here. Just click the copy to commit id, this it will copy the commit id. Okay, and whatever state you want, it's there in detected this state, so that whatever last we committed is not showing, actually is there in server, but here is not there. Okay, now again I have to come back to my old state, so just git checkout master. What is master? Master is my branch name. So what is branch name? I will just go here, stock, this is my branch name. See here, branch name. You want to create one more branch with this clone, that also you can do. That also I will teach how to use that. So what I am going to do here, my master branch I need, so just git checkout master. I will click git checkout master. Now is switched to master branch. Master branch means here it will see my changes came again back to master branch. So we have how many branch? Only one branch you can create. So master branch, that is future branch, and development branch, and final branch, like that, whatever name you want to create, but master branch is the default one. Okay, now I will go to my project here. It will ask reload all, and you have to give reload all. Again your file came back. Okay, now I will do one more thing here. I will added here, I added here by mistake, so many lines I added. I saved also. Now I closed also here. Now I will open here, but I need to give control set, so it will work. Control set, it won't work. Why means because it won't go the previous state. That file is opening, then only you are using control set. Means see here I will add some line, I will do control set, means it will go. That's it. Till this point it will go. After that nothing it will happen. So here one more option, you are using git repositories, then just right click your file and undo. Just click undo. Undo means what will happen? It will check the previous commit. Previous commit means previous state, whatever you checked in server. See in server, in stock, in last that class 1. In class 1, whatever files are there, whatever state is there, this is the state. So that state it will undo here. Just right click here, click undo. So it will check the git source control and it will undo. That's it. So you can undo your changes, or else I'll write here, I saved here, and I'm going here. It will show changes, what file you made changes. Just right click and discard changes, so it will discard your changes. That's it. So main advantage is you won't lose your files, you won't lose your codes. Anyone can track your code and anyone can retrieve your code. That is the advantage of using the GitHub. So I will tell you why I am using this. So whatever I am making changes, whatever I am adding the codes, you can see here. Just go to the history and you can see whatever I made changes. So this file, this is there, this file, this is there, and newly he added for these two files. So this file, two files, whatever code he added, you want to just copy this code alone, and you want to revert, collapse. So many options is there. Whatever I know for beginners, I am teaching. In that any doubts you can raise me. First do create one GitHub account, and you try to use the GitHub account. Use our project is a code based project and use it. Okay, Now next tutorial I will upload one by one, whatever series, whatever files you need, I will upload that files. You can take it. And the screens, whatever screens you are asking, right? Some people they ask the screenshot how the project plans is going. That screenshot some people are asking. For example, where I created and E drive, which will markup stock management. So this is our project plans I am using here. So some people they are asking markups also, so I will give this markup also to people to use. Just so in the store I will create markup folder and stock management. Here source file is there, source file BMP file. BMP file means it will open using this software, like this software. So using this software only it will open these files. Here you can change your markups and all. So software name is Balsamiq. So you have that software, then you can use that software to open this file, and you can edit and alter the files also. I will give this source code also. People can use this source also. So just markup folder is there, source everything is there, correct? Just I will copy the markup folder, copy. In code base only I will add that folder also. So D drive and code base a stock. In that stock our project is there. Here outside I will add this markup, just so it won't affect the existing project. So just I will paste it here, markup. Okay, now I am going here stock. It will show the changes. So whatever we added, right, that changes it will show here. So added project markup files committed. So sync. So people they want to see our markup images, they can see and they can reuse and they can alter it. Whatever new feature they want, they can alter it, like that everything they can do. So I am giving sync also. So once sync is completed, sync completed. Now you will get that file here. So I will go to stock here. So you will see the markup and stock management. So here all the images you will see. Okay, and you want to download and you want to edit, means you can edit. People who want to work with me, they can raise the full request. So I will get the request, based on that I will approve, and you can raise the issues whatever while running the project. Whatever you are getting the issues, you can raise the issues here. Whatever issues, create new issues, and pull request, you have to go create a pull request. Then once I approved the full request, then you can able to pull your changes. Immediately once I approve this pull request, means in your repository, in your git repository, you default you will this project it will come and add automatically. Then you can use it that. Okay, so we will work together, everyone. So whatever you need changes, whatever you need to fix, whatever your doubts you have to ask, or else new project scenario. This is stock project, like that one project we will make different scenario, different things, because I am alone working, means I will get some kind of ideas and some kind of way one day I will go. I will collaborate with so many people, means I will get so many ideas and so many technologies we can invent, and we can learn and invent. That is my goal. Okay guys, I think this video is very useful for everyone, to beginners, developers, and collaborate with their peoples, their friends, how to work, how to start the project, like that. It will help you more, I think. Yes. Okay guys, we will meet you soon.